Hi everyone, and welcome back to Mission Loyalty, your best connection for loyalty insights. Oh, thank you.
Your mission is to make loyalty programs better.
Mission Loyalty.
As a customer, loyalty means that you stick to what you know and love. But as a company, loyalty is all about being innovative and trying new ideas, so customers get what they love without having the chance to get bored. Nobody likes being bored. So, I've got another mission for you. Make your loyalty program an innovative one. There are a few reasons why you won't regret keeping your loyalty program fresh. First of all, giving customers a reason to come back means they won't have a chance to forget their login details. And it's an opportunity to stand out from your competition. As Phil Shelper, the author of the book Loyalty Programs: The Complete Guide, says, in truth, most loyalty programs are utterly boring and unadventurous. Harsh words. He goes on to say, a best practice loyalty program stimulates member enthusiasm to engage by continually experimenting, innovating, and taking risks. So ultimately, a loyalty program should be seductive. So don't be boring and unadventurous. Take a walk on the wild side. So here are 3 ways to unleash your innovation. And for each tip I share, I'll also share some inspiring loyalty programs. And if you're lucky, maybe I'll even throw in a bonus tip. So number 1, test, optimize, and impress. There is a little company called Starbucks. You've probably heard of them before. In fact, they were cited as one of the most inspiring loyalty programs in our recent Global Customer Loyalty Report. And for good reason. First of all, their mobile app connects the convenience of ordering with the fun experience of the loyalty program. They're also continually trying new things, including in-app games, or, for example, in Seattle, they're incorporating sustainability into their loyalty program, where customers can get stars for participating in their test of reusable cup scheme. So they aren't afraid to analyze and optimize. The second way is to offer experiential rewards. So when planning your rewards catalog, think memorable experiences. Today's customers tend to prefer experiences over physical items, and loyalty programs are the perfect vehicle for brands to deliver those experiences. Oh, speaking of delivery. Thank you. Now, allow me to get into the research here. According to our loyalty intel, 65.2% of current loyalty program owners not offering experiential rewards said they plan to introduce this feature within the next 3 years. So, experiences are on the roadmap for many companies, and we're likely to see more of them in the short and mid-term. A true leader in experiential rewards is Marriott Bonvoy with their Moments Rewards. With events across culinary, arts, lifestyle, sports, and entertainment, they offer enough of a variety for their large and diverse member base. The third way is to create a meaningful bond. For many consumers, what a brand stands for is just as important as what kind of rewards they offer. UK beer retailer BrewDog is a top dog in this space. They're super dedicated to being environmentally friendly, and they want their customers to know that they're on Mother Nature's side. They communicate it well through their loyalty program. So when customers purchase a certain number of BrewDog's carbon-negative beer cans, members earn a Drink BrewDog Kill Carbon badge. They also do loads of challenges with fun new badges to keep it fresh, and use members-only offers to keep members excited about being a part of the program. So follow their lead and innovate by making your loyalty program connect with customers on a social basis. I can't resist a 4th bonus tip. So another way to keep things fresh is to go live. Live communities and streaming are great channels for making the experience feel real for customers. In fact, according to Salesforce, 73% of marketers already use live stream video, and 57% use virtual customer communities. So start thinking about how you can record unique brand experiences and bring members closer to your team and operations. Thank you so much for watching today. My agents have included a few resources in the description that dive into detail about each of the loyalty programs I mentioned today. And if you're ready to learn more about Antavo's Enterprise Loyalty Cloud, visit antavo.com to see our product videos and documentation, or to request a demo of our platform. See you next time on Mission Loyalty. Talking about Starbucks always makes me thirsty. Can someone get me a coffee? Jeez. Can I get another one? This one decaf. Beautiful.